Ever wondered about the tiny superheroes in the world of nutrition? Yes, we're talking about chia seeds. These little dynamos are more than just a popular ingredient in your morning smoothie. They're packed with nutritional value that can do wonders for your body and mind. But before we dive into the world of chia seeds, do me a favor and hit that like button. Let's give these tiny powerhouses the recognition they deserve. Alrighty, time to spill the chia tea. First up, beauty benefits. Say hello to your new skincare BFF. Chia seeds may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to skincare benefits. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. You see, antioxidants are like tiny warriors, battling against harmful free radicals that can damage our skin cells. This damage can lead to premature aging, but the antioxidants in chia seeds work to neutralize these free radicals, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So if you're dreaming of that "I woke up like this" glow, chia seeds might just be your secret weapon. But the beauty benefits of chia seeds don't stop at antioxidants. These tiny seeds are also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining skin health, helping to nourish your skin from the inside out. They can help to reduce inflammation, soothe dry skin, and even help to ward off acne. So, if you're dealing with skin issues, chia seeds could be the skin-soothing solution you've been looking for. Now let's talk about a fun and easy way to incorporate chia seeds into your skincare routine: a chia seed face mask. This mask is super simple to make, and it can help to hydrate your skin, reduce inflammation, and give you that coveted dewy glow. All you need are some chia seeds, water, and a little bit of honey for added moisture and antibacterial benefits. To make the mask, simply mix a tablespoon of chia seeds with a quarter cup of water and let it sit for about 20 minutes until it forms a gel. Then, mix in a tablespoon of honey, apply the mask to your face, and let it work its magic for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Your skin will be left feeling smooth, hydrated, and refreshed. So there you have it. The beauty benefits of chia seeds are truly impressive. It's like a spa day for your face, minus the spa price. Now, on to the health benefits. Because who says healthy can't be deliciously fun? Chia seeds, my friends, are not just tiny specks of nature. They're like little nuggets of nutritional gold, each one bursting with a wealth of health benefits. First off, let's talk omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart and brain function. But here's the kicker. Our bodies can't produce them on their own. We have to get them from our diet. And guess what? Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3. They're like a tiny but mighty heart and brain health army. And let's not forget about fiber. In a single ounce of chia seeds, there's an impressive 11 grams of fiber. That's almost half of the daily recommended intake. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and it also helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. So, if you're prone to those pesky midday snack attacks, chia seeds could be your secret weapon. But the health benefits of chia seeds don't stop there. They're also packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are key for bone health. Plus, they're a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Now you might be wondering, how do I add these tiny powerhouses to my diet? Well, one of my favorite ways is to make a delicious chia seed pudding. It's a cinch to whip up, and it's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. Just combine a quarter cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk. You can use dairy or non-dairy, it's up to you. Then sweeten to taste with honey or maple syrup and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a thick, creamy, and oh so delicious pudding. Top it with your favorite fruits or nuts, and voila! You've got a nutrient-packed treat that's super easy, super tasty. Hold on to your blenders, folks. It's time for some Chia-rific fun facts. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and unearth the ancient roots of chia seeds. Did you know that these little nutritional powerhouses were once the secret weapon of Aztec warriors? That's right. These ancient soldiers would consume chia seeds to give them high energy and endurance. They called it their running food, because messengers could run all day fueled by just a handful. Now, that's what we call a superfood. But the historical prowess of chia seeds doesn't stop there. The Mayans also recognized the might of chia seeds and even named them Chia, which means strength in the Mayan language. So every time you sprinkle these seeds onto your salad or stir them into your smoothie, remember, you're consuming the strength of ancient warriors. Now let's talk science. These tiny seeds are hydrophilic, which means they love water. In fact, they love it so much they can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. This not only keeps you hydrated, but also helps you feel full longer, aiding in weight loss. It's like having a mini natural gastric band. Who knew such tiny seeds could deliver such a big punch? And for our last fun fact, we're diving into the world of plants. Chia seeds come from the desert plant Salvia hispanica, a member of the mint family. This plant is native to central and southern Mexico and Guatemala, but is now grown and consumed worldwide. That's quite the journey for such a tiny seed. Now, let's put these fun facts into action with a refreshing chia seed drink. When you mix these seeds with liquid, they form a gel-like substance, making them the perfect addition to any beverage. So grab your favorite juice, add a spoonful of chia seeds, give it a good stir, and voila! You've got yourself a nutrient-packed, hydrating chia drink. Let's get this hydration station started! All right, beautiful people, that's a wrap on our chia seed adventure. We've journeyed through the tiny yet mighty world of these nutritional powerhouses and discovered their incredible beauty and health benefits. They've shown us that size doesn't matter when it comes to packing a powerful nutritional punch. They're your skincare's new BFF, promising that radiant glow we all crave. They're the cool kids of superfoods, serving up a hearty dose of omega-3 and fiber, and bidding farewell to those midday snack attacks. We've also unveiled some chia-rific fun facts. Who knew these tiny seeds were once used by ancient warriors for that extra kick of energy? Or that they can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water? Talk about hydration hustle. But remember, our adventure doesn't end here. There are countless ways to incorporate these little wonders into your daily routine. From a rejuvenating face mask to a delicious chia pudding power-up, or even a refreshing chia fresca fiesta, the possibilities are endless. So are you ready to make these tiny warriors your trusty sidekick in your beauty and health journey? I bet you are. Before we say goodbye, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more blendtastic tips and tricks. Until next time, stay glowing, stay healthy, stay Bella.